The main shift I've seen having the BenQ in my classroom is students are not afraid to get up in the classroom and present. I mean, you saw in my classroom, they were able to get up and present. They have no problem going up to the board, touching it, because we make it a priority at the beginning of the year to get them familiar with the boards, do fun activities before we get into the content, so they feel comfortable and confident in front of the board.
I was in a classroom and the kids actually taught it to me. They're like, oh, well, you use this to sign in and then you're gonna go here. And so they taught me how to log in and all that, and it's really easy. I see it in all the classrooms whenever I go in every day, and I see all different things. A lot of kids up at the board constantly.
Being more student-led, I think with now what we're kind of trying to implement in our schools is just letting the kids be more hands-on. And so the board allows for that. So when I'm planning, I'm able to kind of plan more lessons where they're able to use that board in the way that it's been designed to.
I feel like there's days that I don't need to be here because they know how to work the board and they know what to hit just in case something messes up. They can control it. I have little pieces in my thing where they know they come to the board every morning. We start with a GPS, and that's how we start our day, and they solve math problems.
And so just getting the kids up and out of their seats, and they're excited to come up and show what they know.